Hi, welcome back to my channel. On today's featured Friday, I am doing mini savings challenges. These are all freebies, and I am doing the Fall into Savings collab hosted by Noriel's Budgets. So it's just random what is in here. So I went through my binder and I changed the dollar amounts because I have so many freebie savings challenges, so I'm going to change all of the amounts to $1. So I did finish, once I rechanged the dollar amount, I finished this one from Spooky Budgets for $24, and this is going towards vacation. And then since I had leftover money, I used $1 to complete Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This $28. This is going to the future lawnmower. And then I also changed these from 2 to 1. So $20 is going to health. So I was able to finish those. So we're just kind of starting fresh. A couple freebies from the community. These Tinies are from Always Angela XOXO. I thought they were so cute. And then Mumpshy Queen had 2 Hello Kitty Nightmare Before Christmas DIY scratch off. So I printed them out and laminated them and applied my own stickers. And these are on Ko-fi. And then Kimmy's Corner hit 900 subscribers. So I printed this out, which is cute because it's also October for breast cancer. And then, excuse me, Budget with ADHD. So Lauren, she did this. Roll and Save Gilmore Ghouls. Where You Haunt, I Will Follow. Super cute. So I'll have to find a home for those. Alrighty. Let me just move some things. So I have $50. I have ones and a couple twos. And I'm going to roll my 8-sided die, or my D8. Where it lands, we'll get $2, I think. I'm going to do $2. Did I just take that money out? That's nice. Hold on. Binder is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So, do it again. I really should have these out before I start, but oh, and with the leftover money I had, I was able to put a couple more dollars towards my bookie one. I'm going to do orange. So, hope you guys are doing well. This will go out on Friday, but I'm currently filming on Thursday. So number 6. Let's go in like in order here. What do you guys have planned for the weekend? I know I say it's every week, but we don't have anything planned. This is kind of like my favorite thing. I probably might watch some Halloween movies because that's what I like to do. So it really doesn't want to give any of these other challenges any love today. There we go. Oops, I'm already down to the 2s. So I need a 2. Nope. Nope. Still need a 2 and I need a 4. So there's our 2. I think 6 might be the winner. And I'm just going to cheat. Okay. So So I'm gonna put these over here so I can look at them properly. Okay, so the first one is from Becca Budget, 777. I had this one for a while. Well, obviously, it's been out for a while. This is going towards, it says 6 months ahead, but we did, instead of 6 months ahead, we switched to 3 months of expenses, and that's fully funded. So this will go to the emergency fund. So we got 4. And each one of these hearts is $1. So we have 22. Second one is from the collab. This is from Always Angela XOXO. We got $2 today, so that will just be 2 more skulls. This is going towards vacation. So I have 26. Number 3 is new to the group. It is books. Oh, this is collab with Norielis, but I don't know whose it is. There's no name on it, and I don't remember. So if you know who it is, comment below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1. So there is 6. Number 4 is Kristineskreations, and we have $2. So we can do one more book. Because I have the books for 2 and the butterflies for 1. So we have 14. This is going towards a wedding gift for my nephew. Number 5 is from Budgeting with Lysandra. Each pumpkin is $1, so we have 4. So I will just do this for now. I'll color off camera. So we have 4. Number 5 is from Dawn. Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Clearly the winner. Just about finished it. So I will color that offline. So we have 19. And that's going towards the future or next year's Mustang insurance. The next one is new. It's from Shelly's Crafty Corner. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it? 8? Okay, so we finished this one. So that's fun. What's this going towards? Vacation. So I will put this over here, and then I will put some of these out and we'll decide. Number 8, I only needed $2 and I got 6, so we'll put all that money to the side. So I have $55. This is going towards next year's car registration. So let's put out. And then we'll roll. So we're using number 8. And then number 5. Okay. So we are in here. So I have, so we'll put 4 towards each. And this is from Enchanted Toadstool Budgets. And where do we want this one to go towards? I think I'm going to do health. And then the last one is from Boss Babe Budgets, and I did not see any of the challenges marked as the collab, so I just chose some from her shop, so I don't know. So we're doing Michael Myers, of course, and I need this to go towards, I have categories. Let's do emergency fund, because we're trying to build that up. I think, I don't know what we're doing it for, but anyway, each knife is $1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, that is all that I have. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. And if you do need some watch hours, just comment below. I do wish that you would be subscribed to my channel. And I'll subscribe to your channel so we can each benefit from the watched hours. But until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.